In today's video, I am going to teach you how to compress PDF file size without losing quality. If you've ever struggled to share a large PDF or upload it to a website that has strict size limits, this walkthrough will help you shrink the file while keeping text crisp and images clear. We will use trusted online tools that offer high-quality compression, specifically Adobe Acrobat Online and iLovePDF. Both are designed to reduce file size efficiently, and they include specialized settings that prioritize quality. Adobe Acrobat Online is known for superior compression that preserves text and images, making it ideal when you want the smallest size with professional-looking results. iLovePDF also features a recommended compression mode that's tuned for high quality, which is great when you need dependable, everyday compression. Start by opening either Adobe Acrobat Online or iLovePDF in your browser. On the home page, look for the Compress or Compress PDF option. This is the workspace where the tool will analyze and optimize your file. Next, select your PDF from your computer. Choose the file you want to compress, and let the platform load it. This step prepares the document so the service can apply the right compression strategy to both text and images. Now, choose a compression setting. You will typically see options like low, recommended, high, or extreme compression. If your priority is to maintain quality, low or recommended are your best choices. These modes focus on preserving sharp text and clear images while still cutting down the file size. High can deliver a stronger reduction and often remains visually excellent, especially if your PDF contains mostly text or vector graphics. Extreme compression is available when you must minimize size as much as possible, but keep in mind it can reduce image detail. For most situations where you want to avoid visible quality loss, stick with low or recommended, and consider high if you need a bit more savings. After selecting the setting, click Compress. The tool will run its optimization, re-encoding images, removing unnecessary data, and streamlining the file structure while keeping your content intact. With Adobe Acrobat Online, the process is tuned to preserve clarity, and in iLovePDF, recommended compression aims for a high-quality balance. That's it. Thanks for watching.